Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. We have Jenny, right? Jenny.
That's right.
So she came in with low back pain and has had it for recently, a couple of weeks now, and had it in the past before. So we did an exam. We just took off the muscle stimulation, took the heat off, and been doing the flexion distractions. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. She's been doing it for about 10 minutes. So a couple of things when we did the exam that we found. And type of work, you're on the computer a lot, right? Sitting
Yes, almost all day.
all day long, right? So, a couple of things. Foot is short on the right side. And I'm going to show you what that means today. I'm going to actually show it on the skeleton today for the first time in a long time. Go ahead and raise this leg for me. Good, and then do this one. A lot easier on the left side.
Yeah.
So her hip is lined up like this. This leg, this PSIS they call the bone is down here. This bone is up here. And so this is like this, causing this leg to shorten up because of the way the pelvic goes. All right, Jenny, go ahead and sit up for me.
Okay.
I'm just going to show that. I showed you already, but I'll go ahead and show everybody else as well. So come on close here. So these two bones are supposed to be across from each other. But Jenny, what we're seeing is it's actually gone like this. This has come down, this has come up. So it's about a ½ inch off. So this is rotated this way, this is rotated this way. This leg comes short, this leg, so her legs right now when she, and we'll have you face down again, but when she goes face down, left leg is short compared to the right, so the way the hip has rotated. So we gotta basically level this back out for her. So go ahead and go face down for me again.
I'm already short enough, so
Now we're gonna
make it
harder.
even, please.
Yes. So again, what we're seeing is the right leg is short, the way the hip has rotated is gone this and this. So this basically pulls this leg up. This leg becomes long. Short leg, long leg. All right, you ready to get adjusted?
Yeah.
Move down for me towards the feet a little bit.
Okay.
Good. We're going to do the mid back first. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Nice. One more. It's actually tight in here. This side up for me. We're going to move that a little different way.
Okay.
So she's been watching the videos as well. And she's decided to come in.
Yeah.
And this is your first time ever getting adjusted, right?
Yes.
Nice. Bring this forward. Okay. Give yourself a big hug.
Okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good.
Oh,
I knew that
that felt good.
I knew that was coming face that way for me. So she's really flexible as well. And the reason I said it, because most people are here,
Okay.
you're up here to adjust.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is flexibility. Your
Okay,
hamstrings
that's
are really
good.
flexible. Yeah, deep breath. All the way out. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go face up for me.
Great.
When I first started, I used to see a lot of gymnasts, and I couldn't adjust them because they were so flexible.
Oh,
That
really?
was because I didn't bring the leg up enough. All right, you ready, Missy?
Yep. Oh my God.
Nice. And there goes the red ears. Famous red ears. One more. There's another. That was awesome. So the reason I'm adjusting her neck, she had low back pain, but she came in and she said she's on the computers all day. So her posture is a little forward, and that's why we're doing the neck part. So move down gently, a little bit that way.
Okay.
Good. Give yourself a big hug.
Okay.
Beautiful. Deep breath for me. All the way out. There it is. Nice. You okay?
Yeah.
Let's go face down for
Okay.
me. Let me just check everything. Okay, let's see. So there it is. Beautiful.
Are they even now?
Yeah, yep.
Good.
And there's one bone and there's the other bone.
Great.
Now lift this leg for me. Let's see it. Sweet. Nice. Yeah, so they're about the same now.
Great.
Awesome. So yeah, so you're watching this. Stop watching. Come on in. We're here. Take care.